So, sa video na to, magre-review ako ng, not really review, but this is unboxing of the A320M-DS2 motherboard from Gigabyte. Let's start. Okay, so ito yung ang aking binili. It's a motherboard from Gigabyte. It's a micro ATX form factor. Kasag-assemble ako ng desktop for personal use. Kasi yung laptop ko na ginagamit before, last year, nagsurrender na siya. And, yun. So, kailangan akong bumili ng bagong machine. So, instead of buying a new laptop, so I prefer na desktop na lang so that I can also save. Yung saving ko if I'm gonna buy a desktop versus laptop is like 50%. Well, 25% if, for example, I really go with a high-end specs na nakalagay na sa mga laptops na preferred ko, right? But because desktop naman siya and you know, you can assemble, so that means that you have the alternatives, you have the options per item or per component sa desktop. Like for example, the motherboard, there are other motherboards right there na very expensive, they're cool, may mga LED lights and all of that. But you also have options. Patulad nito, wala naman siya masyadong drama, but it will still function the same because they are same motherboard pa rin naman yan. Or you have the option kung ilang RAM lang yung gagamitin mo. May dalawang 4GB or dalawang 8GB or isa lang. So yun, back to this one. So I bought this in Lazada. It's bundled with Ryzen 5 CPU. So for me, nakatipid ako nito ng konti. I think, yeah, nakatipid ako ng mga 1K maybe, I don't know. But based on the calculation, kasi 14,000 yung bili ko. And then the Ryzen 5 is like 12 or something. And then, so that means na naging 2K to 3 to 4K na lang ito. Depende. Yung bet ko MSI or Asus nasa around 10K motherboard lang or 14K motherboard lang, which is, oh no, it will be so yun, mas mahal, diba? So again, may option ka with desktop. That's why.
Gigabyte A320M-DS2 features that are really a win for me are durability, designed with anti-sulfur resistors that protect and prevents sulfurization reaction by adding a protective layer alloy. The PCB or printed circuit board is designed to repel humid by incorporating new glass fabric technology. This offers much better protection from system malfunction caused by humidity and damp conditions. Patented dual BIOS. In the event of BIOS failure or some malware infestation or other scenarios that BIOS will be compromised, it's always a relief that you always have a backup BIOS and immediately restore your system, extending your mobile's life. Hybrid fan pin headers. Worry not if you wish to upgrade your cooling system from ordinary system fan to water cooling pump or closed loop water cooling, since the fan headers are hybrid and can automatically detect the type of cooling device with different PWM or voltage mode. High temperature protection. With Smart Fan 5, it ensures that the computer maintains its performance and stays cool. It has 5 temperature sensors and supports high current fans up to 24 watts with overcurrent protection. The Smart Fan 5 software was updated for you to be able to customize fan speed and modes according to any defined temperature source input. There are also other features that for me are just add-ons, though are good to have also. This mobile has high-quality onboard audio components to create the most realistic sound effect for gamers. Enhanced BIOS interface making it easy and friendly to use. Fast USB 3.1 Gen 2 and Realtek GBE LAN that features CFOS speed, which helps to improve network latency and deliver better responsiveness in crowded LAN environments.
I hope you like the video. I hope you like my I hope you like the unboxing of this motherboard. We have the website, and check that out in my description or in the card. So thank you for